Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and thanks for joining me. In this video, I'll just show you how you can create an ebook using a Canva and it's for free. So in the search bar, type A4. It's gonna load. So when it loads, it will take you to where you have A4 templates. So just pick this plain one, alright? Pick this one, just hold on. Alright, you have to delete everything that you have in there. Delete everything, so we have a plain A4. Please don't forget to subscribe if this is the first time you're coming to join us. Subscribe, please. All right, so the next we have to now start adding pages. All right, just add pages. I think we can add up to 4 pages. So after adding these 4 pages, we're just going to start design. Please stick around, guys. It's just going to take us 11 minutes and we are done with this. All right, we've added at least some pages to it. So let's go straight up to the design now. So the next thing we're going to do now is to look for a way we can add the first template to make it a cover page. A ebook must have a cover page. So let's do that now by searching for template. So you do what? You click on template, sorry, design, and then let's come and search for the actual templates that we want to use. So let's search for storybook. Let's scroll down a bit. Let's just see, let's look for a perfect keyword to easily give us a better template. So let's use fairy tale. All right, so I think I'll go with the first one. So let's pick this first one. All right, so we're just going to edit this. You can remove this image, put your own image, just do whatever you want to do. It's easy. You just click delete, click edit. So I think we're going to change this to fairy tale festival so we don't have to waste time. It's just an example for you to know how to work on templates when you have templates like this. Yeah, we have fairy tale festival, and then I think I'll just take this one out. All right, so I will want to use this place and put my name there, maybe by, like the author, the name of the author. So you can style it whatever you want to, anyhow you want to style it. It all just depends on how you're being creative. Like your creativity is what really makes your design perfect or great. All right, since we've done this now, let's change the colors. Let's use color blue, and for the title of the ebook and the name of the author, let's use color blue. All right, so I think we can move to page 2 now and start from page 2. Please guys, stay to the end of the video. Also just where you can sell your ebook which you've created, or how you can use it to make money. I'll just give you a little tips at the end of this tutorial, so stick around guys, and don't forget to make a comment, ask questions, and then you can send this video also to a friend. So to get the content for the other page, you just go to search bar, same place under design, and then we click on, we just type about the author content, right? So with this we can easily pick a simple page or a simple template that will fit what we want to design. So I think we're just designing the next page, which is like, yeah, but there are more pages you can design actually, but it's based on what it's just a sample to see. You can make this more than 10 page stuff like that, but I'm just going to do like 4 or 5 pages. It's just for you to see how you can format it and how you can edit. And so let's assume we have the template for page 2, which is the about us page. So we'll be looking for table of content now. Normal an ebook, it depends on how you want it. You can have about us and then more of it. So we just want to pick this table of content template, this design here, but I think I don't like this one. Let's pick another one. All right, remember how we got to table of content on that search bar, still on design, just type table of content, and then you have different, you can just pick different ones you can pick on. So I think let's go to page the third page, right? All right, this is page 4. So let's see what we're going to add to page 4, and then at least make it look nice. And we've done the page cover, we've done the table of content, we've done the about us, right? So this 4 page now, I think we're just going to start fixing in content. Please guys, don't forget to stay to the end of the video, because I'll just show you little tips on how you can use this ebook or any ebook you've created to make money. All right, to make money. All right, since I want to work on page 4, I want to come and copy some format, which is state content, to page 4. So why I'm doing this, so that I don't want to lose the type, sorry, the I don't want to lose the font size rather that I'm using, right? So whatever font size I use here, I think that's what I will copy and paste all throughout the ebook, so that I will maintain a decent or a proper font size and font style. So that's what I'm just trying to format it to maybe expand it, and then see how it's going to fit into the page. As you can see now, it's on centralized left justify. Now it's on justify, which is, you can see edge to edge, it is well formatted, so you don't have a rough design. Because at the point where you have it not formatted like this, your ebook is definitely going to look very rough. So as you can see now, this is well formatted. We have page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. So let's edit this about page. So let's just say about the author. All right, guys, I think I'm done with this. You can decide to change the pictures here to something will definitely suit your design. The author's pictures can be there. All right, so as you can see, guys, it's clean. It's clean. So I can decide to duplicate page 2 over and over. So now let's do for the last page, like we want to add reference. So I'm just going to pick a template, a random template that have text in it, right? Just pick it, and then when I pick it, I just replace it on that last page, which is page 5, and then do some little touch edit, and then that will be all. And then before you know, you have your ebook, complete ebook. All right, guys. So I'm just going to take some elements out, and I just want to make it simple. Just want to make it simple. So after this, I will definitely go into start page numbering. Normally you add page numbering manually, so I'll show you how to add your page numbering. So I'm just going to take this one out, take letter off out, and then let's take that one out, and then I think I will change these words here to reference. I think that will make sense more. It's going to make sense more, guys. Do you know that even as you're done with your ebook, if you're in Nigeria, you can as well sell your ebook by using a seller. You can as well sell your ebook. Maybe you have a rich content on your ebook that will make people want to buy. All right, don't just create ebook. Create ebook that has value. An ebook that will have value, so people will buy. So you can sell your ebook on using platforms or websites like seller.co and the rest of them. So guys, as you can see now, I just formatted everything. So let's just assume this is my reference, right? This is my reference. So the last thing I want to do is to add page number to every of the page except the cover page. So that's what I want to do. So I'm just going to take this line, right, copy it, and then paste it in all the pages. So I'll paste one here, go to this page also, and paste it here. All right, so the next thing I want to do is the numbering. So I think I can use this reference here, duplicate it one, then edit it. Just put O1 for each of the numbers, but later you now start editing it one by one. You start editing it one by one. All right, I'll just put O1 here. So I might have to copy this and just paste it in all the pages, and then I come back and start editing it one by one. So why I'm doing this is just for me to maintain consistency. Know that I have different text, different text, different font size, different font. It doesn't make sense to look professional. So the only way it can look professional is when you copy and paste all of them. Like every digit you want to use as page numbering, just copy and paste. All right, and it will give you exactly what it's supposed to give to you professionally. All right, so it's advised you copy and paste, so you maintain the same size of font and then the same font name also. So I'm just going to type, since the background is black and the text is black, I'm just going to change it to white, just the same way I did to the name from the beginning when I was writing those titles. You just double click and then you get options. All right, I'm going to paste the old one here also and change it to O2. So paste it on the next page, which is page 4. And just copy it from here. So this page 4 is going to be O3. That's page number 3. And then this can be O4. It's okay. So as you can see, we are done creating the ebook. We are done creating the ebook. So let's just run through. Let me zoom it. All right, you see, guys. Let me zoom it. You see, this is it. So guys, like I said, this kind of ebook I've created now, you can decide to take, for example, you have an ebook that is about fashion, an ebook that is about meal, medical ebook, health ebook, food practitioner, whatever you be, you can create an ebook like this. Yes, I know people that are making money from this. All right, guys, it's time for us to download. Click on the share button, come down, click on the download button, and then swap from this file type to PDF standard, and then download button will come out and hit download. All right, guys, at the end of our tutorial, so please do not forget to subscribe and like, comment, and ask questions, and definitely I'll respond to you. Now, stay cool, guys. Till our next video. Stay cool, guys. Bye bye.